Vortex flow meters are essential tools for measuring fluid flow in various industries. To ensure their accuracy, regular calibration is crucial. Begin by inspecting the flow meter for any physical damage or debris. Ensure the calibration system is clean and free of contaminants. Install the flow meter according to the manufacturer's guidelines, ensuring proper alignment. Connect the flow meter's signal output to the calibration monitoring system. Verify that the flow meter shows zero output when no fluid is flowing. If necessary, adjust the zero setting. Select test points across the meter's operational range, from minimum to maximum flow rates. At each point, allow the flow to stabilize before recording measurements. Compare the meter's readings to a known standard and calculate any deviations. If deviations exceed acceptable limits, adjust the meter's settings accordingly. After adjustments, retest to confirm improved accuracy. Finally, document all calibration data, including test points, readings, adjustments, and environmental conditions. Regular calibration ensures that Vortex flow meters provide reliable and accurate measurements, maintaining optimal performance in industrial applications.